Alright guys, let's do similar setup for Windows. Basically, what you need to do is to download Visual Studio Express. So just Google for it and go to visualstudio.com and get this Community Edition. Then you need GLFW library. So go to glfw.org and go to Download section and get these 64-bit versions of libraries. Just extract and make sure that all libraries and include folders are there. Okay, now run the Visual Studio installer. Check desktop development for C++. And also make sure that Windows 10 SDK is enabled here. Now open the Visual Studio and go to File, New, Project, and create new project. You can name it whatever you want. So just make sure that you selected Windows Console application. First of all, let's get rid of the precompiled headers. Just include the IOStream library. Let's make a simplest application possible. I typed this stdcin just to keep the window from auto-closing. Okay, let's go to Application Properties. Just right-click in the application name on Solution Explorer and go to Properties. Now select C++ tab and go to Precompile Headers. In Use Precompile Headers, just select No. Make sure that the platform is 64-bit, and also in the main window just select 64-bit for the compilation. It's important because our libraries are 64 bits. Now click on Play button to make sure that everything builds and runs successfully. Okay. Now let's go to your project directory. You can find it by clicking on the project name and highlighting this path just down below in Properties. Or simply go to Users, Username and Source folder. You can find this app1 here. Just click the console application folder and create two new folders there. Name one libs and another one headers. Now go to your downloads section and go to GLFW library in CLAD folder. Just drag and drop its content to your newly created headers folder in your project. Now go to libs folder and copy the content of libs from GLFW to your libs folder. Just use most recent ones. We need to set up the compiler settings now. So go to Properties again, go to C++ section General, and in Additional in CLAD directories type /headers. Then go to Linker General, and in Additional library directories type /libs. Alright, now go to Input section and in Additional dependencies click on this triangle to the right and type OpenGL32.lib and in new line GLFW3.lib. Okay, let's make sure that everything builds now. Okay, and let's write some GLFW code. First of all, you need to include glfw/glfw3.h. Then you need to initialize the windowing system. To do so, let's call glfw init function. Let's just make sure that everything builds and links now. Okay, the system is set up now. You can write OpenGL code.